Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, a hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic select settings for different driving patterns. This GLE has 38,111 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.